The plows are out in full force today. Time to find out what's up with Richard. And if you can't tell, what's up with Richard is lots of white, fluffy snow. Just cleaned off the bird feeder. I shovel around the bottom so the bottom feeders can get their seeds. We've gotten about 5 inches so far since last night. Yesterday the car was completely cleared off and we're using inches here, and yeah, so far today we've gotten 4.5 inches and the wind hasn't started. That's coming later this afternoon. What you're looking at here is lake effect snow. It has moved north from Michigan City and is hammering us pretty well right now. That driveway was perfectly clean at 10 o'clock this morning, and as you can see, it's going to need to be shoveled again here very shortly. Tree looks beautiful. I know birdies. I feed the birdies every morning, but it's snowing so hard that it's covered up the seed that's there. Hopefully they got enough for breakfast. Lake effect snow, folks. All right, it's a couple hours later. We have finished shoveling again. And I think, as you can see, the wind has picked up considerably. Started both the cars. They started right up, so that's not going to be an issue. But we need to move them over to, well, our right, look in this direction, because we have to shovel off this side of the driveway, and then I think we'll be done for a while. Now, if you want, you can compare this little trek back to the bird feeder compared to the beginning of the video. Yeah, I think we probably got a total of about 15 inches. And if you notice, it has been drifting a little bit. Pretty little icicles. When this starts to melt, there's going to be a whole bunch of those. Not exactly the best thing to see. Oh, don't go away, little birdie. Yeah, quite a bit of snow. Anyway, thanks for watching What's Up with Richard. I'm going to move some cars, do a little last shoveling, and have a hot chocolate.